Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Whirlpool dishwasher is acting up or showing hidden problems, diagnostic mode can help you quickly identify stored errors and system faults. So in this video, I will show you how to safely enter Whirlpool dishwasher diagnostic mode step by step. So before starting anything, you need to ensure that the dishwasher is powered on but not actively running a cycle. The door should be properly closed or latched depending on your model. Now there should not be any active washing program that should be selected, and this particular things are going to basically prepare the control panel for service mode access. Now most of the Whirlpool dishwashers use the common diagnostic entry pattern. So in this particular pattern, all you need to do is you need to simply press any three buttons in sequence. For example, you can press 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 three times, or you can complete it should be completed within 8 seconds. Now avoid pressing the start or the cancel button unless specified by your model. If entered correctly, all the panel lights should illuminate, and this confirms the diagnostic mode has active. Once it is activated, the dishwasher will begin a built-in self-test. So during the process, the machine checks the water fill, the wash motor, the drain pump, and heating element sensors. So this cycle may take several minutes. So you just have to simply watch for blinking lights or displayed codes. These indicators reveal the specific problem areas. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.